Hey YouTube. I got on Spotify today and it said it's a new song by Pretty Sick. So I thought people would be wondering about that. And it's kind of retro, but it doesn't sound old. It kind of sounds grungy, but it doesn't sound like tired grungy. The chorus is the song is in A, and the verses are just like a big A kind of a jam. Just like that, they go through one chorus at the beginning real slow. They're just like, devil in me, that's the devil in you, G, something, something, D. And they go through that one time, then they go into the A. That's basically the verse. I think that at the end, they just quickly go to the D and right back into the A. And there's a riff being played. So basically, they're playing an E minor. This is an E at the 7th fret. So I'm playing 7/9, 7/9 on the A and the D. And then briefly, at one point they go up to like the 10. And they're both playing bass. We call that a big bottom. It's double bass. It looks like they got a new drummer. Anyways, so after the riffage and the going on the A, they start going to the chorus. The chorus is A, devil in me, E major, that's the devil in you, G, something, something, D. Something like that. Okay, so that should enable you to kind of jam along with that song. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.